We are Cory and Wallace, an early retired couple on a full-time journey around the world. With a passion for exploring new cultures, discovering hidden gems, and enjoying delicious local food, we are on a mission to experience as much of the world as we can.
Welcome back.
Songkran, take 2, maybe.
Maybe. So it is day 3 of Songkran now, and it is 7:30 in the evening, I think. It's dark out, and we're going to try something a little different today. We are going out to an area here in Chiang Mai called Niemen, or Niemen Road. The actual name of the street I can't pronounce, so I'm not going to try butchering it. And this should be a little different.
Apparently the party gets started after dark and it goes well into the night. I don't know. We're not usually night people, but we figure since we're here, it's Songkran. The maybe part is if we can actually get a grab there, because we're not going to drive because the streets are usually full of drunk people, or at least we've been warned, and also getting buckets of water tossed at you during the night in the dark. It's not a good recipe for safety. So
yeah, absolutely. We're not even going to go there. And yes, as far as, drunk drivers, every year when Songkran hits, the number of road fatalities basically doubles compared to a normal, 3-day period. And a lot of that is contributed to drunk driving, which, now it's nighttime, it's a party atmosphere. We're just going to avoid that hassle altogether. We're going to attempt to take either a Bolt or a Grab or, whichever ride hailing app we can get someone to pick us up. And if that proves to be too difficult or there's no drivers available, then so be it. We won't go. So, yeah.
We'll see what happens. We managed to get a ride really quickly, so now we're just in traffic waiting.
Yeah, it only took 4 minutes for the Bolt driver to show up, and you have to forgive the lighting, the flashing red lights. It's because there's a fire truck in front of us right now with its lights going. But yeah, we're on our way, and hopefully it won't be too long before we get to Niemen.
I think we found the party.
Yeah, it's crazy, it's busy, it's loud. There are people and cars and bikes everywhere, and it's awesome. Thailand's crazy. It really is.
I would say equate this to like a rave. That's the best kind of like definition I can sum up Songkran as. I haven't been in this kind of like scenario in so long. I kind of miss like the vibe. It's really cool.
It's definitely a scene, yeah.
It'll definitely keep us awake tonight.
closed off for about 2 blocks in every direction, and it's just madness. There's people everywhere. It's not as intense with the water fight, but it's definitely still going, and it's loud and a lot of fun. Still going. I mean, I guess it's not that late right now, but yeah, it's absolutely bonkers in here. And there's cars still going by because this street isn't technically closed. So right there is a car about to sneak by us here, and yeah, it's just chaos.
Honestly, Thailand's just one big party. Songkran is so fun. I didn't get overwhelmed at all by the crowds. It's just, I think because everybody's so friendly and you're interacting with the crowds because you're basically one big water fight, and you just feel so welcome.
Yeah, absolutely crazy. Oh, we gotta move here because these guys are trying to move their bike.
Sorry.
Let's do that again.
No, it's
That's okay. Anyways, yeah, it's just one big party, like Cory was saying. It's absolutely bonkers. It's a lot of fun. Everyone's just here to enjoy themselves and have fun, and the vibes are just awesome.
Yeah, they're great.
We would stay longer, but it's really loud because they've got basically 2 competing concerts going on, like DJs going, and the volume is cranked way up. So I'm sure my ears are going to be ringing in the morning. We didn't bring earplugs because it didn't even occur to us, even though I have some back at the Airbnb, which is a shame.
If we had brought earplugs, we probably would have been staying for a good chunk of the night. But yeah, my ears can't take it anymore.
Getting old sucks, you guys. But anyways, this has been Songkran 2025, and it's been an absolute blast.
Yeah, I would say if you have the opportunity, take advantage of it because you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah, like I think I would come back and do another one next year or the year after.
Yeah.
But I think that's pretty much it for tonight. So we're gonna leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us for Songkran. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up to give us a like and make sure you subscribe.
And we hope that you'll join us in the other videos for more adventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.